Gemini, my air babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe if this page has been a blessing to you. Check out my link tree. Link is in the bio. I have some special treats for you. Your word of the day is freedom. It's time to free yourself, free your mind from the chains that you've learned in the past where you feel as though how the world is forever changing. There's no black and white. There's always a gray area. There's always moments in space to change where the rules are meant to be bent, broken, remastered. Keep an open mind, and your freedom will actually take off the shackles within your body, off your limbs, and then you can skyrocket and go with the flow. You can't tell air where to go, where to flow. Be your original self. Do not let yourself to be held down. I realize my wounds and create doubt, resentment, and guilt, and I work to free myself of that darkness, breaking those chains. I cast off negative thoughts and find peace in my heart and discover the being of light within me that is limitless. Be air. Do what you want to do. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Think independently. Love yourself. I love you too.